Hundreds of people flocked to the UN Plaza in Katutura to be assisted with their legal issues for free. The initiative was brought by the Office of the Ombudsman in collaboration with the Namibian Law Society. Let's find out from the Ombudsman, what are the burning issues?
I was informed it was about property, estates, and I am not dealing with it itself, but I believe if you have afterwards a conversation with the lawyers who assist us here, you will find that people have a number of issues to raise. And for you and me, it may sound something negligible, something small, but for every person, his concern may be a very big one, and I believe they will get the answers today. There is a Maintenance Act which prescribes the procedures to be followed, but you yourself know the law is not self-executing. There are officials, public officials, who have to do their duties, and if they fail to do their duties properly and assist mothers to get support for their children, which I believe they are entitled to and men are obliged to pay, then I think we have to go back and see what are the problems, why are there such failings to assist mothers to get fathers to pay for the maintenance of their children.
Let's find out from the Ombudsman, what are the negative effects of cases being dragged so long? Why are cases dragging so long?
That is a violation of a person's right to a fair trial. Our constitution is very clear on that. A trial should start within a reasonable time, and it must be completed in a reasonable time. And reasonable time includes from the day of plea until a person exhausts his right to appeal. Now, do you think if a trial is not started or does not conclude within 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, that is a reasonable time? I said it's unreasonable. And I promised the citizens that I've been on record on this issue on many occasions, but I said that is not reasonable, and I believe it's time that we approach our courts so that the courts can authoritatively declare what is a reasonable time. That all our cases should be finalized within a certain particular time limit, depending on the complexity of the case. But that is a violation of our constitution.
Hopefully this event will create a platform for people to be aware of their legal rights. I'm Petrus Moronga reporting for Nampa News, WINDHOEK.